Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, before discussing and before starting today's session, let us know Saturday we assigned open book test or open book assignment second, which consisted 15 different questions from the chapter completed, which carries 1 mark, and each questions are of 3 types, mainly MCQ, fill in the blanks, then fill in the blanks. So I hope all the 15 questions are clear, and all you people are successfully completed the work and kept a record with you. So those who completed, we appreciate for your completed work. Those who not completed, please involve yourself and complete your part of work. So coming to the point, in the previous session we were discussing about the chapter The Rise of Nationalism in India. So there we were discussing about different movements launched by Mahatma Gandhi and other political leaders, which spread rapid nationalism and patriotic feelings among the Indians. So in today's session, let us discuss about Swaraj in plantations. So Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement in order to express his dissatisfaction against the atrocity which was taken place in Jallianwala Bagh on 13th April 1919. So along with that, he launched peaceful agitation, that is Swaraj. So his peaceful agitation in different places made people to be attracted with his way of fight and principle followed for approaching the British. So Swaraj in plantations is another such movement which was launched in order to support the workers, one who is working in plantations. So for supporting the plantation workers, Swaraj means they need to be allowed to walk or to move freely wherever they are getting an working opportunity. So these plantation workers, they are denied to move from one place to another place for getting an working opportunity or employment opportunity. They took part in agitation or in movement because they express their argument against the Inland Emigration Act, which was passed in the year 1859. This particular act, it was prevented the plantation workers to leave from one particular plantation to the other particular plantation or to the other place without the permission. Means it made compulsory for them to stay constantly at one particular plantation or one particular place. So these made rigid condition for plantation workers to get regular working opportunity. So for opposing this act, they took part in plantation workers, or they took part in a movement named Swaraj in plantation workers. Each group interpreted in terms of Swaraj in their own way. Then Civil disobedient movement. So, civil disobedient movement is another such important movement which was launched by Mahatma Gandhi ji in the month of February 1922. Mahatma Gandhi ji launched civil disobedient movement after knowing the response from the company or British government for non-cooperation movement which was launched in the year 1920. So civil disobedient movement means ಕಾನೂನು ಭಂಗ ಚಳವಳಿ. ಕಾನೂನು ಭಂಗ ಚಳವಳಿ. So many leaders along with Mahatma Gandhi ji like Chittaranjan Das, C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru and others, they formed Swaraj Party. Swaraj means it's a desire to get freedom within the Congress. And these particular leaders, they express their opinion for Congress party leaders to return to the council politics. Then other important younger political leaders from National Congress like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others, they pressed for more radical mass agitation and for full independence. So Swaraj party leaders, they demanded for Swaraj, whereas Congress party leaders, they demanded for complete independence. Here civil disobedient movement is mainly taken part by students from universities, colleges, professors, teachers, lawyers, workers, laborers and artisans and all the different group of people from different places. They took part in order to express their support for the movement. So this particular movement, it was mainly described as one of the important movement because people came forward for expressing their argument against the administrative setup established in India without giving any due support or favor or acceptance. They argued, they demanded, they questioned and they sentenced for their freedom, their liberty in their own land. So with this, let us stop today's session and let us continue our discussion from the chapter in tomorrow's session. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.